Welcome, today we're going to show you how to change your profile picture on Zoho Mail. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Zoho Mail as see from here. After that, to change your profile picture, all you need to do is to click on it as see from here. And after that, you need to go to my account section. So now it will redirect you to the settings of your account. So there's a lot of things to change from here. You need to click on edit. So now, all you need to do is to click on your profile picture or the camera picture I'll see from here. You need to click on it. So I'll see from here, I have chosen a background or Windows background I'll see from here. If I just use it like this and click on update, now, now my Zoho email picture have changed. So it's actually very easy. Also from here you have a lot of options to change. There's the email address, mobile numbers, security options, multi-factor authentication, and other settings, sessions, groups, privacy. You can actually click view more to find the compliance. So after that, when we refresh from here, you will see that the picture is actually changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.